no, 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 no. Back up. Back up. What are you doing? Back up. Back up. Back up. Yeah, you're on camera. You're on camera. Back up. You're the one jumping the line. No, she doesn't. Use your head.
A while back, a long time ago.
Whoop. Oh,
Are you slip sliding?
nope, not me. Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh my God, going this way. Oh my God, no, going this way. Bro, if you fucking crash into me, retard. Bro, like, what do you want? Some problems with your bitch ass? Oh my God! Oh my! He just crashed into me! Oh my God! What the fuck? Oh
You
my
alright?
God! Bro, what? Do you see what? Get away! Yeah, no, it's on camera. It's on camera. It's on camera. Hey, we need an officer over here. I'm crazy. Bro, get the away from me. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you. Okay? Cool, go. This guy's crazy.
But I don't want that. happening?
Go forward. What?
What the f is wrong? Is she drunk?
Study, be a druid, you know, and you'd have some indication of what you'd be studying, but, you know, that's not fleshed out.
Whoa.
And none of the books really give you that information. A lot of it was done.
Okay. Boy, that was close. Yeah.
Dulnudrons always seem to think that their politics shape the whole world, but the rest of the world's really not all that concerned about who gains the throne in Tol Holneth. We're here on a matter of much greater. He walked into the darkness in the direction of the room. He'll take you a certain amount of time because he couldn't see he said, "But it would probably be a good idea to left the area."
Oh my God! Damn!
Go!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck.
Go, bro. Look, I'm leaving, bro. All I'm gonna smoke is square, bro.
Don't ever come back here. Don't ever come back here. Don't ever come back here.
Just tell me what you're thinking.